1987, 87 Honda Helix. Was in an accident. Trying to repair it. Here's what it kind of is at right now. Alright, so here's the deal. I've been working on this thing for about 8 months. I lent it out to someone, they crashed it. So now I'm trying to rebuild it, body work, because the parts on this thing are just hard to find. Here is what it looks like as of the body work being finished and a little primer. So we're going to see how this works out. I'm going to start calling this video Honda Helix Rebuild because that's exactly what it is. Everything had to be taken off this bike, and when I figure it out, I'll show you. I'll put pictures up to show you. So we'll see how it goes. Till then, I'll get updated. Alright, well, I went ahead and did the body work, sanding it down. This will dry to flat black. Now, how it's going to look is, I don't know, we'll see. But I got the lights covered up. As you can see, bodywork don't look too bad, considering it was all broke. We fiberglassed it. Little Bondo to true it up a little bit. So we're going to see how this looks. Well, watching paint dry, so I will keep you updated and see how he looks. Alright. Alright, continuation of this body filler kind of thing. See how I French the lights in. And at one time these were sticking out a little bit. So that's it right now. I will be posting these videos up as I progress further into it. Alright, see you next time.